You'll cry. Ah! You'll get up and dance as you and your family share the ongoing saga of a boy and his dog.
Snoopy!
A dog and his dinner.
I must admit, he's a very satisfying person to cook for.
A girl and her football. And a kid and his blanket.
What are you gonna do with it when you grow up? Maybe I'll make it into a sport coat.
That's right, the gang's all here. The entire Peanuts gang and all your favorite animated Peanuts titles. Now on video at great low prices, even a grown-up can't resist.
Is that right? Come on, Charlie Brown. It's a big honor for you.
So join Charlie Brown, Snoopy, Lucy, and the entire cast of unforgettable Peanuts characters in their most memorable classics.
I decided to say a few words about the Great Pumpkin.
It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. A Charlie Brown Christmas. Happy New Year, Charlie Brown. Be my Valentine, Charlie Brown. And it's the Easter Beagle, Charlie Brown.
All right, everybody, listen up.
And don't forget about all the other great Peanuts adventures.
I can see it now.
Yes, it's the very best of Peanuts, and they're priced to make you smile.
Among the Charlie Browns in the world, you're the Charlie Browniest.
Collect them all, now on video cassette.
Get cleaned up. Let's brush, everybody. And gather all the them. It's a special Barney double feature with 2 times the fun on 2 terrific videos.
This is going to be lots of fun.
First, from tissues to toothbrushes, it's Barney and his friends at their squeaky cleans.
You really should cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, sugar.
Come along as Barney and the kids learn all about staying healthy in good, clean fun.
Well, brushing your teeth after eating helps keep your teeth clean and safe from germs.
But the smiles don't end there. Because when it comes to getting along with your brother or sister, PJ and Baby Bob have got it all figured out.
Flippity pooch.
Being different is what makes each of you special.
That's right. Learn all about working and playing together in Oh Brother, She's My Sister.
It's nice when families play and have fun together.
Get ready for 2 great videos full of good, clean family fun with everyone's favorite purple dinosaur. Don't miss Barney's Good Clean Fun and Oh Brother, She's My Sister. Now available together on home video for one low price from Lyric Studios.
Does your child love to watch Barney? Now your child can star with Barney in the first ever personalized Barney home video, My Party with Barney, the Barney video that makes your child a star. Your child actually appears on screen with Barney again and again, and Barney actually says your child's name. Lauren! Even the deluxe package is fully personalized. Ordering is easy. Just send us a picture of your child and we do the rest. To order, just call one of the toll-free numbers on your screen or go online.
I want a video. I quit knocking on the door.
When your child stars on screen, in My Party with Barney.
I want a video. I can't make a nail.